Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today we are going to look at a couple of cars I bought on my latest hunt. Actually the hunt is only about 1 hour, 1.5 hours ago, and yeah, I'm finally home again, so I'm making this video for you guys. It's early Saturday morning but we already have almost 30 degrees Celsius, so I hope my camera doesn't die, my phone doesn't die on me because of the heat. I was actually in like 4 stores. I was in a Kick, a Teddy, an Lidl, and an Aldi, or Aldi, whatever you name it. But only in 2 stores of these I actually bought Hot Wheels. The stores which I bought was Teddy and Aldi. Teddy was way better than Aldi, but let's get into the video because I think all cars that I've bought today are great on their own. So yeah, I think we should start with the Aldi one because that's actually the oldest one of them all, because the Aldi I bought it from actually had 2024 cases there. No 2023, no 2024, and I bought this one from there. I actually don't know from which case it is, but I think it's from the N case. Is this? Or G, or maybe G case even? I'm not sure, but on the long cards you can read it pretty clearly, but on these short cards I'm not too sure if it's the same, if it's the N over here or the J down there. I'm not too sure about that, so let me know in the comments if you know this better than me. As you can see, it's the 87 Dodge D100. This is actually quite a nice casting. I don't know why I didn't pick it up in 2024 or 2023 when I saw it in stores, but I now saw it and now I got it. This is like one of these off-road racing trucks, I guess. What do you call them? Buyer trucks or something like that? I'm not too sure. I need to be careful with the opening because I need the cards for the German version as well. I'm making this English version, as you may have guessed, before the German version, but I don't even know why I do this, but I do it. So yeah, let's take a look inside later. Let's look at the outside first. Really nice car. The tires actually are pretty good. I don't know why these gloves look so weird. I don't know. Please ignore the gloves. I'm only wearing them because my fingers are looking horrendous again, because yeah, no, I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna say it looks horrendous and that's it for you. And I already had comments down below which said, oh, look at these hands, why do you present your cars with these hands? Yeah, just be quiet. I'm presenting these Hot Wheels as I like, and if you don't like it, don't watch the video. Pretty easy. If my camera focused, we could actually look inside. No luck, sadly. Anyways, really nice car nonetheless, and I love how it looks. And I'm trying to get in these big trucks again. Wait, I didn't pick up the other truck from Teddy. Anyways, okay, this was the one and only Hot Wheels casting I picked up from Aldi. Only thing I bought there as well is a chocolate bar, but that's this one's sitting in my fridge to be cool, because it's so hot it would be melting in my hands, which I don't like at all. So let's go to Teddy, and we are gonna do a 2-for-1 here because I bought, shame on me, one car double. The 96 Dodge Viper GTS, and shame on me for not buying all 4 of them that were in the store. I should have got them and sold them for 10 euros a piece. And what am I, a bad collector and scalper? Oh shit. Please don't hate me in the comments for it, guys. But yeah. And as well. Both it's... Huh? I don't have an idea what... let me know. But this... What the fuck? Weird. Really weird. Didn't see that in the stores. Anyways, as you can see, it's a new for 2025 casting, and it's from the Then & Now series. And the Dodge Viper S or T from, I think, 2013 is the Now part of this Then & Now Viper. But this 96 one is great as well. And we actually get details all around the car. Now that I have won the twice, I can... Do they? No, it looks different in the lighting, but they don't have different rims, they have the exact same. I can open one and keep one closed. Let's open it from the side like this. Perfect. This way I can pick it up really easy from the German version as well. I love Vipers actually. In real life I want to own one at any point in my life. It doesn't matter if it's a 96 one or a 2013 one or a 2025 one if they ever bring out a new Viper. But yeah, Vipers are really nice cars. I love how they look and how they sound especially. So beautiful. Racing stripes are over the car. The blue is the perfect color for this car in my opinion. Nice little the Dodge logo print and headlight print on the front, and Dodge, if it focus. Maybe here we have a little Viper print on the back and rear lights as well, which is a really nice touch. And with this we are 3 cars into this video. These 2 are Teddy, and the other 3 that are following are also Teddy, so I picked up in total 6 cars today. The next one is one which I actually looked after for so long, which is the Datsun 240C. This one I've seen in the Teddy 2 or 3 times as well, so I should have picked it up again and so should have sold it for €5 a piece on eBay. But yeah, Art Cars T. I know that the from the Art Cars, each car has a T on the letter on the roof. If you know already which word it's gonna be for 2025, let me know in the comments, because I don't look after these Art Cars at all, to be honest. But this 240C I had to pick up because the 240C is such a beautiful car. Oh, it's left-hand drive. I actually expected it to be right-hand drive, but that's not too bad in my opinion. It's still a really beautiful car. A little 240C with the Audis cherry blossoms, or whatever they are called, something like that properly. Looks really cute and nice. The pink actually plays very well with the light blue and white color, and yeah, except the cherry blossoms on the T, we don't get tempos anywhere else on front or back, but we get the rims done as well, the lips, the rim lip, something like that. we get them done as well. Really nice car. These are all, wait, no. The next two cars are, and last two cars for today, are recolors of cars I already have, but I picked up these recolors because I don't have the recolors yet. The first recolor, which you may remember is pretty new, we had the red and goldish recolor earlier this year in February, I think, like pretty early on in the year. And now we have a black version as well from the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. And the Miura is such a beautiful car in my opinion. And yeah, love to have it in my collection. I have the red one. Wait a second, I can pick them up all if I have them displayed somewhere over here. Of course now I can't find them, but yeah, you may have seen them in my videos already. I have the red version, I have a blue version, and I have a gold Silverlines version as well. And now I have this black version as well. Lamley Group actually doesn't like this casting at all because there's something wrong with the scale, I think. He said a reason why he doesn't like it, but I actually can't remember it. I would have to look back at the video. And yeah. I love the Miura, not as the casting from Hot Wheels, but because I love the IRL model of it, and because of that I simply have to collect this. And yeah. What does this symbol mean? It's perfect to race on the racetrack from Hot Wheels? Is this some new thing? Nice touch. But why do not every car have this logo? Like, is this the only one? Let me look at the other one. Yes, it's the only one with this symbol. If you know what it means, let me know in the comments, please. But I think it means it's good for the track. So yeah, Hot Wheels track. Rear tempos we get on the Lamborghini Miura, we get pretty much all the details done, which is a really nice touch in my opinion. They kept the goldish base or the goldish interior, with these goldish outside, like the red one, which is really nice. Gold and black really plays well together. Really nice car. And now onto the last car for today, which is, as I already spoiled, another recolor, and it's the Cupra E-Racer, which is a new for 2025 casting. This grey version is the recolor of the purple version we saw earlier on in the year. I should have it somewhere around here. Wait, I see it. Come here. Oh, come on. Of course, now I can't get into the lower department. Nah, yeah, no. Yes. Now I have it. Yay. Okay. For the refresh, this is the original Cupra E-Racer we saw early in the year as the first one released. Oh, you can see the clips of my Nothing Phone 2. That's also one reason because I use this phone and not a professional camera, because for the professional camera I needed this LED ring again, and over here these two LED strips you can see are around both cameras. I think I'm using the lower one right now, but I could be wrong about that. So yeah, and because the entire glyph is on, I can perfectly use it to light up everything. Meanwhile, my room is completely dark. The darkness is actually wanted because I want to keep it as cool as possible in here because of my phone and because of me, because I have to stay in this room all day long. So I'm not going outside in 30 degrees of heat and higher. Once the temperature creeps over 25 degrees, you don't see me outside anymore, except I have to go to work or something. And now we have, coming back to the Cooper Eraser, we now have the recolor in this gray matte color. Let's unbox it. One thing I'm actually sad about is that I didn't find any Ferrari casting yet, even though I think with the Viper in one casting the SF90 is released in the same case, I think. I could be wrong, maybe it's in a later case and we simply don't have it yet. Wait, no. But in some parts of Germany there are already SF90s running around in stores, for example in Aldi's and sometimes in some other stores. I sadly didn't find them yet, but I hope I will soon. But I'm happy with what I found, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't show it to you and wouldn't have bought it. This matte recolor is actually pretty nice, and the feel is also pretty nice. This one is like this gloss and nice finish. This is, as I said, the matte finish with the, how do you say, more rougher. If you touch it, it's more rough than the clear finish, I guess. I don't know how you say it in English. I'm lost for words, literally. But yeah, we kept the same amount of decals, I think, even though it's in slightly different color. But it's pretty much, as a recolor is, an identical model, just in different colors, which is not too bad. I really like it how it is. And yeah, really nice. This gray one, I actually prefer the gray one over the purple one, but that's just my personal opinion. And with this, we are already at the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to this channel and let me know your favorite car from this haul today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. I see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.